The 1976 Executive RV, also known as the Executive Van or EX, was one of the most unusual custom vehicles of the 1970s. Created by Italian-American designer, engineer, and artist Giovanni Bucci, it combined a recreational vehicle, mobile office, luxury lounge, and entertainment space in a single futuristic machine. Bucci had already gained attention for unconventional fiberglass automobiles. After moving to Chicago, he worked as an electrical engineer while developing his own automotive and artistic projects, including the spectacular Le Chable. Fiberglass became a central element of his work and eventually led to his most ambitious vehicle project. Around 1975 to 1976, Bucci spent approximately 10 months transforming a second-generation Ford Econoline chassis into the Executive EX. He removed the original body and created a completely new 22-foot-long fiberglass body. The shell was reportedly molded as a single piece and designed without conventional steel structural supports. Its long, uninterrupted profile, low rear section, and sharply shaped front gave the vehicle a distinctly futuristic appearance. The EX was designed for far more than transportation. Bucci described it as a mod apartment where businessmen could hold meetings away from the office. It could also function as a mobile meeting and presentation facility. Inside were a full bathroom, waterbed, bar, skylights, suspended fireplace, and enough open floor space for as many as 20 people to dance. Its most remarkable feature was the sliding roof. When opened, it transformed the interior into a partially outdoor space, allowing occupants to stand or dance with part of the vehicle open to the surroundings. This unusual concept made the EX closer to a mobile architectural space than a conventional motorhome. The vehicle debuted at the 1976 Chicago Auto Show at McCormick Place. Bucci then toured the United States and Canada, demonstrating the EX and promoting his ideas for futuristic mobile living. He and his wife, John, eventually shipped the vehicle across the Atlantic aboard the Queen Elizabeth II and toured Europe. The journey reportedly averaged about 12 miles per gallon. After the tour, Bucci promoted the EX to RV manufacturers while developing an even more ambitious six-wheel successor called the Mobile Villa. That concept was planned with a sliding roof, waterfall, sauna, sunken bath, computerized kitchen, and a small electric car, but the full-size vehicle was never completed. The Executive EX remained with Bucci for more than 40 years, spending much of that time on his property. Following his death in February 2019, his widow sold the vehicle to collector Geoff Hacker of Undiscovered Classics. Hacker planned its restoration and returned to the road. Today, the 1976 Executive RV survives as a rare example of 1970s experimental automotive design, a vehicle where engineering, architecture, luxury, and imagination were combined into one extraordinary machine.